Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and is becoming increasingly popular in modern times as a way to promote relaxation, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of meditation and how you can incorporate this ancient practice into your daily routine. 1. Reducing stress and anxiety. Meditation has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety. It helps to calm the mind and relax the body, which can lead to a greater sense of peace and well-being. 2. Improving focus and concentration. Meditation can also help improve focus and concentration. By training the mind to be more present and focused, you can increase productivity and efficiency in daily tasks. 3. Boosting immune system. Research has found that meditation can boost the immune system and help fight off illness and disease. Regular meditation practice has been shown to increase the production of antibodies, which help to defend the body against pathogens. 4. Enhancing emotional well-being. Meditation can also enhance emotional well-being by promoting feelings of positivity and happiness. By focusing on the present moment and cultivating gratitude, meditation can help you develop a more positive outlook on life. 5. Managing chronic pain. Meditation has been found to be effective in managing chronic pain conditions such as fibromyalgia and arthritis. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, meditation can help to alleviate pain and improve quality of life. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can be used to improve overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or manage chronic pain, there are many benefits to incorporating meditation into your daily routine. So take some time for yourself today and try a meditation practice. Your mind and body will thank you.